I got this here 1968 Snojet Starjet, I believe, and it needs some welding. Needs a repair right here. Just another repair down here, and on the other side it's completely ripped off, and as you can see, there's where it's supposed to go. I got this little welder of mine I'm going to use to weld this up. Fire extinguisher in case something bad happens, and a piece of extra metal that I'm going to use to make a brace with. See what I can do. Okay, I got this little number here all clamped down. I wire brushed off what you can see, and we'll see how it goes. Right now I'm just going to tack it in place so I can work with it for later, but alright, here we go. I'll be using some 60-13 rod just because this here tunnel is so thin, and all this metal, there's not much left. Most of it's completely rust, and I hope I don't burn through. It's a very crude method, but it works. Well, as you can see, I got a good tack weld on there, so it's pretty sturdy. And now I can just weld around that big crack. And I will be doing the same down here. As you can see, it's breaking apart from the tunnel. And well, time to get to work. Well, the top weld is an ugly sight, but I think she should hold. And the bottom one's a little prettier. You can see it. Damn cameras, I'm not good with these things. Well, this side is pretty much done. Like, that's gonna hold for quite some time. Now on to making this side. I'm going to take this piece, tuck it in there, and then bend it down and around to fit under the fuel tank. It's a good little welder. Purchased it at Princess Auto. No. Oh well, it works. Marked out 2 markings on each end of a piece of metal, and put them in the vise, bend it right at each marking, and then I'll see if it fits. And there we go, all cut down, and I'm gonna fit it in. I'm gonna take a wire brush, clean these 2 ends up, and then just jam that part into there, and then hold this part with a vice grip, hopefully. You know, we gotta clean this up too, and up here, but clamp it, tack it, if it fits, weld it. Alright, got it all cleaned up. Gonna run a tack. Well, bead, but first I'm gonna tack it there, and then try and run a bead around here without bursting this thing into flames. And hopefully it should hold. It's just a free project, fun to work on. Alright, now that it's in, I'm going to get some paint to cover up those grotesque looking welds. For a backyard repair, I really don't give a shit whether they're, you know, they look pretty or they're fucking dog shit welds. Just so long as they hold for the winter time. That's a little too close. See. Year of college down the drain, eh? Gonna use some of this just to quick clean it up. Almost lost my balance there. Missed a spot. There you have it. That should hold. And good backyard fix to an old piece of shit. This here tank's gonna sit here. Jam that fill line in there. Take some of these off and I'll see if I can toss the seat on just to show you what it looks like. Mold and mouse nests. And in a nutshell, that's what it's gonna look like for the winter. Taillight and everything on it works. I'm gonna bolt that. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna take that off. It's fucked. Someone kicked it or hit a tree or something. I don't know. And there you have it. It'll work.